Marvin.
All right.
Who are you?
Jen.
And?
Jason.
We're jumping out of airplanes with strangers today?
Out of a perfectly good plane.
Whose idea was this?
It was mine. It's our birthday.
Our birthday.
Today.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
It was worth it.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. You guys ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun on her birthday. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! Are you ready?
Hell yeah.
Are you ready? Let's get in this thing. Let's get up. I'm ready. Are you? Let's go have some fun. High five. High five. High five. Here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! What do you think of that?
That was awesome.
You did great. You have fun?
Yeah, so much fun.
Let's get better. Let's pull the right one down.
Oh God. Oh God.
And up. Pull the left one down. Yeah. Now we're getting some. You want to do another one?
No.
Relax. A little on the right. Pull the right one down a little bit. Nice and easy. Right there. Right there. You have to hold it right there. Fine. Very great. We made it back. What'd you think of that?
That was awesome. That was so awesome.
You enjoy that?
I had a great time.
You gonna do it again someday?
I will actually.
What was your favorite part?
Actually jumping out.
Yeah?
Free falling.
It was
yeah.
awesome flipping with you.
Thank
Come back
you.
out, see me again. I'll let you open the parachute. You just gotta find the golf ball and pull it out.
Awesome.
You did great.
Thank you.
Come back, see me again. Seattle, Colorado Springs. This could be you.